Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how you can divide a decimal number by a decimal number. It means in the divisor is also a decimal number and the dividend is also a decimal number. So let's have an example. So the example is you have to divide a decimal number 66.5 with a decimal number that is 3.5. So the first thing that you have to do here is you have to convert both the divisor as well as the dividend into the whole numbers so that you can easily divide them by using the whole number division method. So let's convert them. How? We have to multiply them by 10, both the divisor as well as the dividend. So if I write here 66.5 multiplied by 10 divided by 3.5 multiplied by 10. Now what is the purpose of 10? Well, the one purpose is to convert it into the whole number. And how it will be converted into whole number? Whenever you multiply a decimal number by 10, the decimal or point of the number will move one digit to the right. So it means this will move here and this point will move here and this point will move here. So what we will get is the whole numbers. Now it will be like 665.0 because a point is moved here and 35.0. So we can also write it as 665 divided by 35. Now we have both the whole numbers and we can easily divide them by using the whole number division method as 665 divided by 35. So it will be 35 ones are 35, it will be 315 and then 35 nines are 315. So this is how you can divide a decimal number by the decimal number. So it will be equals to 19. So it means in this case there will be no decimal. Let's have one more example. Example number 2. So we have an example number 2, 17.25 divided by 5.75. Again we have to convert them into whole numbers by multiplying them with 10 first. Multiply by 10. So let's see what we'll get is 17.25 multiplied by 10 divided by 5.75 multiplied by 10. So as I have told earlier that if you multiply by 1 times 10, then this point will move one digit to the right. And same here, this point will move one digit to the right. So what we will get is 172.5 divided by 57.5. Now still we have the decimal numbers. Now we have to multiply it again by 10 to get the whole number. So 172.5 multiplied by 10 divided by 57.5 multiplied by 10. Now here again by multiplying by 10, this point will move here and this point will move here. So we will get 1725 divided by 575. Now these are the whole numbers and we can divide them by using the whole number division method as 1725 will be here and 575 will be here. So 575 3 times is 1725. So what we will get is 0 here. So it means if we divide 17.25 with 5.75, both are the decimal numbers, we will get 3. So this is how you can divide a decimal number by a decimal number. That's all from today's lecture. Thank you.